that is 1/8 of an acre. You will be left with enough space on both sides, on the front side and on the back side of your house. This will be enough space for your landscaping, your parking and your play areas. The construction costs we are currently using is 35,000 Kenya shillings per square meter. We are using this as per the guidelines provided by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya in their current handbook 2019-2020 edition. So for this house of 146 square meters, you can budget to use about 5.1 million for your construction cost. As always, keep in mind a lot of factors affect the cost of construction. The location of your project, the materials that you use, and the finishes that you choose will come into play when it comes to the cost of construction. And that is the Zuri 4-bedroom bungalow house plan, a house plan that has 146 square meters featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. So talk to us if you're interested in this house plan or any other house plan that we have featured. We are readily available to customize any of our house plans to fit your needs and to fit your budget. Thank you very much for joining us today. Hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. We'll be seeing you in our next video.